Department of IT offers two programs, one UG program, BTech in Information Technology, and one PG program, MTech in Computer Networks and Information Security. The diverse curricula of both undergraduate and postgraduate program offers cutting-edge technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence, network security, Internet of Things, data mining, information systems, and cyber security. The department offers choice-based credit system for both the undergraduate and postgraduate programs from the academic year 2015-16.
Namaste, this is Dr. G. Suresh Reddy, Head of Information Technology Department. The Department of Information Technology was established in the year 1997 with an intake of 60. Later it is increased to 180. The department offers a PG program in Computer Networks, Information Security with an intake of 18 started in the year 2013.
The Department of Information Technology is having 41 young and dynamic faculty with 2 professors, 5 associates, and 34 assistant professors. Among the 41 faculty members, 10 members got their doctorates from various reputed universities and institutions. The department is well supported by adequate number of non-teaching staff. All the classrooms of the department are ICT enabled, well furnished, and ventilated. The department has 13 state-of-the-art laboratories with high-end computing devices. Department of IT manages the entire campus network under Campus Network Control Center. From the inception of the department, an average of 85% of students got placed in MNCs. In the current academic year, 91% of students are recruited by MNCs. Over the past 5 years, the average CTC has been improved from 3.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs per annum. Few of our students secured highest CTC offered by AMD, Microsoft, and Amazon with a package of 13 lakhs. Apart from placements, our students got admissions into IITs, NITs, and IIMs to pursue their masters and into foreign universities to pursue their Master of Science. The faculty of the department has 219 publications to their credit. Among them, 172 publications are indexed in Scopus and Web of Science. The department also received a grant of 40 lakhs worth projects by DRDO, UGC, and AICT. The department has filed 4 patents in various domains by the faculty members. The department has MOUs and tie-ups with industries and other institutions to offer mezzanine technologies to students and faculty members to enhance their knowledge. The department also takes care of extension activities at institute level like campus automation and website maintenance. The department had conducted 3 national and international conferences in the last 3 years. The faculty member, Dr. V. Radhakrishna of the department, has been elected as Regional Editor of East Asia for the journal Recent Patents and Computer Science, and also received ACM Senior Member Award for the year 2016. He has received Highly Cited Researcher Award for the year 2016 across the globe from Thomson Reuters. The students of IT department have published various technical papers in reputed conferences and journals. Students have won the prizes in various hackathons and coding contests conducted by different higher education institutions across the country.
Hi, I'm Subramaniam Kalori and I'm a proud engineer from VNR Vijay IT. I passed out in 2008 and I've been associated with college ever since for almost 12 years now, currently as a member for Board of Studies, IT department. What separates it out, to me, it has always been the faculty and the facilities. The faculty and their encouragement is unparalleled. Their unending zeal to produce quality engineers is really awesome. They are always going to reach out to industry experts, visionaries, alumni to ensure that the students always gets the best. What separates the faculty from the rest of the things is, to me, their implementation of ideas and suggestions given by people like me or alumni or industry experts. Whenever you get to the next batch, you see that they are always ready and raring to go. Next comes the facilities. Even during my tenure as a student, way back in 2006, we had a sports facility which is a dream for many of the people. At a time when indoor complex or indoor sports was a myth, we had them already in place for us to enjoy. Now it has only increased leaps and bounds. So all in all, I would say one of the best places. I'm really proud to have been part of VNR, and I really thank the institute and the IT faculty once again. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sai Gayatri. I'm currently working with Tetrasoft as data scientist. I passed out of VNR VJIT in 2018 from Information Technology branch. Right from first year, college has been very supportive when I wanted to learn new technologies like artificial intelligence. Also, by learning all these courses through online and various facilities available like library and digital library, I could land up with an internship at Emroads in final year. Throughout the internship as well, faculty have been very supportive. Particularly Radhakrishna sir has helped us in the project as well. Similarly, HOD has also been very supportive in giving permissions which are needed so that students can learn new technologies. Also, apart from these technical aspects, the various facilities like SAC, sports complex have actually helped me interact with a lot of students with different interests which shaped up my personality. So VNR is such a place which gives everything for a student to become a complete engineer who could create impact in the society. All that is needed from the student end is to make most of it and come out with flying colors.
Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. This is Ravali, the alumni of VNR. I take this privilege to welcome you all into the Information Technology Department. I'm currently working as a digital analyst in McKinsey & Company. I've completed my engineering in information technology in the year 2016. It's been 4 years since I've done my engineering, but it still feels like I've recently graduated. It's because of the great memories that I've had all through my life. I'll cherish all these memories. Today, if I look back at my journey, it reminds me of the immense support that I've had from every faculty in the department and the lifetime friends that I've made. I've had a special bond with every faculty in the department. All through my tenure in VNR, they've always supported me, mentored me, and guided me. Talking about the infrastructure, the department has well-equipped laboratories that help us get a practical exposure to all the theoretical concepts. Information technology is not confined to a single domain. It has its scope in multiple domains, be it healthcare, pharma, finance, supply chain, and so on. Students can involve themselves in the research and development of the faculty members and publish different journals and white papers. Often there are multiple workshops conducted in the department wherein people from reputed industries come and give seminars on the latest technologies happening in the industry. To all those enthusiastic engineers out there, I wish you'll have a great journey and all the best for your future.
Hello everyone, I am Arvind and I'm currently working as HCM Cloud Consultant at Deloitte. I'm a gold medalist from this department and I graduated in the year 2016. I've been in research collaboration with this department working in the areas of temporal data mining and intrusion detection system. We have several research papers published in reputed conferences and journals. We also have patents registered. Our recent innovation is how do we detect COVID-19 using chest X-rays. This department has immense opportunities for students to grow and also gain the diverse skill set. The department has a broad academic curriculum which enables students to learn and explore the diverse paths emerging from the field of information technology. As we all know that information technology is playing a major role in each and every domain, choosing information technology is the best option in this institute.